Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it. Today I will show you something about my account and how I'm trading with this very simple trading strategy. This is my live account, my USD account. So guys, let's check some assets like this one, but the only one that we are going to trade are the ones offering more than 80%, like this one, like the USD for example of the cat. We also have this one to look it up. And I will explain to you this strategy. Alright, we are going to bet up here. I'm just waiting for this candlestick to close, and here we go. Yeah, I think it's a good trade. Let's wait for the result. So guys, the way I trade this strategy is very simple. Whenever the price touch the lower bollinger band, for example, and the CCI, this indicator is an oscillator that tell us if the market is in oversold zone or overbought zone. So I wait until the market is oversold and the price is on the lower bollinger band, touching the lower bollinger band or crossing the lower bollinger band to make an up option, okay, to go higher. As simple as that. That's why we want this trade. Let me check. Oh, I forgot to change the time here. Oh my god. This strategy works better for 1 minute expiration, guys. So don't make the mistake of entering for 5-minute expiration. So as you can see, we would win this trade if we enter over here. I mean on the previous candlestick. Wow. Anyway, it's okay. So guys, then whenever the price touch the upper bollinger bands and the CCI confirm is in overbought zone, we can make an entry to the downside. Okay, it's as simple as that this trading strategy works. All right, let's see if we can win this one. Oh yes, here we are. We won this one, and we have 2 minutes and a half left for the 5-minute expiration, but it's not working very good because this trading strategy, as I told you, is for 1 minute expiration. It's okay. So guys, as I told you in one of the previous video, you can combine this strategy, I mean these two indicators, with the price action. For example, I know that we have a very good support zone over here. So let me check if we have another opportunity to go up. No, it's okay, it's a little bit expensive. But this zone, let me explain to you something. This zone is a support zone, all of this zone. As you can see here, we have a very good rejection here, for example. Here again, the price, I mean the market was not able to go lower, and it can happen the same over here when the price reach this level again. because this is a support zone. So we can combine this information with our Bollinger Bands and also the CCI indicator. As simple as that. So for example, in this case, in the next candlestick, I will go high. Yes, right here. Here it opened with a gap down, so it's not very good for my trade, but it's okay. I think we can still win this trade. We have a very good candlestick which had long wick, a little bit long wick, and we have the CCI on the oversold zone. Alright, so let's wait for this to win. Let's see. So remember, we have two trades here. We have two trades. One is 10 seconds left and the other 7 seconds. So I hope to win both of them. But the first one is the 5-minute expiration. We lost the first one and win the second one. So it's good. For me, it's good. Yeah, that's my ratio, more or less. Alright guys, let's change this pair to see if we have any other opportunity. But remind to be patient. Alright, we had a great opportunity here. Just right here, when this candlestick closed, it was a great chance to go down. Why? First of all, we have a market condition that is down. I mean, a downtrend. Then we have this price touching the upper Bollinger Band, and also the CCI indicator is on the overbought zone. So that was a great opportunity to go down. But it's okay, we missed that opportunity, but we can find any other one. Wow. Again, this was another big opportunity. Let me see. Let me see if the price reach this lower level, so we can look for an up opportunity. Guys, that's it for today. I will pause this video and I will upload another part on the next session. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe it.